Welcome. If you want to enable saving content in your Telegram group using the latest PC app update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step so your group members can save, copy, and forward content with ease. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get to your main chat list. Now, from your chat list, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins can change these settings, so double-check you have the right permissions before moving forward. Look at the top right corner of your group window. You'll see a three-dot icon. Click on it. This opens a menu with several options for managing your group. From this menu, select Manage Group. This takes you to your group's management settings, where you control everything from member permissions to privacy. Next, locate the option labeled Group Type and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find a setting called Restrict Saving Content. By default, this might be enabled, which means members can't save, copy, or forward messages and media from your group. To allow your members to save content, simply disable Restrict Saving Content. Just toggle it off. The option should turn gray, indicating that the restriction is no longer active. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the screen. This step is crucial to apply your new settings. That's it. Your group members can now save, copy, and forward content freely, making it easier for everyone to share and engage with what's posted in your group. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other Telegram admins who might need a quick walkthrough. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your improved Telegram group experience.